parenchyma cells. Like here, this is a very good one. You have to imagine a little bit, and if you look at your book, that liver is made of hexagonal units called hepatic lobule. The center of hepatic lobule has a vein called central vein, like this one is a central vein. Here is one central vein. Can you see that? And these cells are called hepatocytes. Digestive function of hepatocytes is to produce bile. So let us go to higher magnification and look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. Look. These are hepatocytes. This is central vein. Liver receives dual blood supply. One by the hepatic artery, which branches up the celiac trunk. Have you heard of celiac artery or celiac trunk? In chapter 21. And also receives blood supply from hepatic portal vein. The vein that is formed by the tributaries coming from the digestive organs. And what does hepatic portal vein do? Carries blood from small intestine. And in small intestine, what happens? Digestion and absorption. Okay? Can you see this small? These are the blood vessels. These are the capillaries in the liver called sinusoids. Special capillaries because the endothelium is interrupted. You know, in classification of capillaries, you learned about continuous capillaries and discontinuous capillaries and sinusoids. Okay? So we will go to a corner. So one of the signifying features, or one of the signature features, is central vein. If you see the central vein, if you can recognize the central vein, definitely this is liver. Do you get that? This is an identifying character. But there is another one called portal triad. I will take you to a triad region right now where you can see threesome structure. And where is that stupid structure? I can see some. There you go. This is a good one. Here is one. Now this is called the hepatic portal vein. There is the hepatic artery, and this is the bile duct. Here, the hepatic portal vein, the hepatic artery, and the bile duct. Let me get in there. That is present in a corner of the lobule. Look at that. You can even see the red blood cells here. This is the branch of hepatic portal vein that carries blood from small intestine. This is the hepatic artery supplying oxygen-rich blood. And here's the bile duct, and you can see within the lumen of the bile duct is some bile that has been stained black. Let us go to even higher magnification to look at the structure. Very good. one by one. This is hepatic
Hepatic
portal
vein.
vein, hepatic portal vein. This is hepatic artery. You can see the thick, this is very thin. And now the bile duct, simple cuboidal epithelium here. So these three-some structures is called triad, portal triad or triad. What you find here, branch up, hepatic portal vein, okay, what should I write? Branch of hepatic artery, and then branch of bile duct. That is also signature feature of liver. Okay? So two signature features. One is central vein, another is triad. Individually I might ask for the structure. What is that? Bile duct. What is this blood vessel called? Hepatic artery. What is this blood vessel called? Hepatic portal vein. Now, if I ask you, identify the cell. You don't see kidney cell here, you see the liver cell called hepatocyte. Hepatocyte. If I ask you what is the digestive role of the cell as indicated with a pointer, it secretes bile. You have the information. It secretes bile. All the 18 students present want to